So, Dad, I missed my birthday yesterday.
I'm sorry about your birthday, son, man. Dad was working late. I had to change your flux capacitor. You know how that be. But you're 13, man. Huh? I didn't forget about you.
Ramen.
You mean ramen. You put some butter in there, some hot sauce, some little pepper and shit. That's a good meal. But anyway, man, you're 13, huh? You out there getting the girls? Huh? No?
Dad, I'm a virgin, all right? I'm not ready for that.
So you a virgin, huh? How does this make you feel?
Dad, what the hell was that? Anal? I'm not trying to live your life, all right? Just because I'm just a virgin doesn't mean anything, all right? Just leave me alone about it.
Get the fuck out of my house! You scared of a little anal. You fucking virgin.